How's everybody doing? So I'm gonna walk y'all through some trading today. Trading the NASDAQ futures on Top Step, on some funded accounts, and on some evals. Let's get this show on the road. See if we can get some trades here. See if there's anything that shows up. We'll just see. All right. How's everybody doing? Let's see. Okay, make sure everything looks good. All right, I think we're good on that. Hold up. Boom. I think we're good on that. Okay, let's go over here. Right there. Let's see. Come on. Alright, let's get that. Alright, so let's go over here. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is drink some coffee. I think that's the first thing. Now, the first thing we're gonna do is delete everything that we have on here. We're gonna have a clean slate. No markings, no nothing right now. No indicators, no anything. Okay, we're gonna mark everything on here. Okay, we're gonna start the daily chart. We're gonna do it probably in under 10 minutes, maybe 5-10 minutes. We're gonna mark everything we need. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is how I do it. Mark out previous day low. I would normally mark out previous day high, but we already took it out, so I don't need to do that. It's previous day low right there. We could do the week. Okay, there's nothing to mark there, really nothing. Okay, so we're just previous day low right now. Okay, we're gonna mark out the opening daily candle, opening price on the daily candle. So right here is where it opened. So that's what I want to see. I want to see the opening price, just for what I do. I just want to see that. It lets me know if it turns black or red to green. Okay, so 4 hour. Okay, so now we're in a 4 hour now. So we're gonna mark a 4 hour fair value gap right there. We got templates for every time frame. So this right here is the 4 hour right there. So it won't show up on anything else. 4 hour right there. So we're gonna see if we get a bounce or not. We're coming into this 4 hour order block as well. So we'll see how that works. Okay. That's where we are. The 4 hour. We're gonna see what happens here. If we drop below it, we have 40 minutes. We'll see what happens. We'll be looking bearish if we close below it with strength, possibly. We do have a order block there. Okay, 1 hour. So that's it on the 4 hour. Now 1 hour. We're gonna see if there's any fair value gaps here that we need to be aware of. I see one right here at the bottom, right here. So 1 hour. 1 hour fair value gap there. Okay. This one we're already pretty much closed past it. So now it's like a little inversion. See how that works out. We got this little order block here as well. Okay, and we're in this big inversion here that we're coming back to. So we'll see what happens there as well. So we have this inversion, this order block, and this fair value gap here that we're kind of bouncing off of. So we'll just see what happens there with that. Not making any rash decisions. Just seeing what happens. We got another hourly right there that we used already. Hour fair value gap. Okay, and we got, if we come down more, we can mark those. But we're here though. Okay. Let's do this. So we have this range here from here to here. Okay, this little range here where we came down, came back up. Okay, so we're gonna mark that and see where we are in relation to that. Start down here, come up there. We didn't quite hit 50%. I mean, so that's really what I'm worried about. We can also put the OTE on there and see if we come down there and if we want to reverse or whatever we want to do. I don't know. But we didn't hit 50% yet, but we hit the PD array in the 50%, close to the 50%, which is this order block, which is this fair value gap. So that's something to be mindful of there. Okay. So anything else I need to know on that one? Not really. So let's get this 15-minute here. Let's see what we got here on the 15-minute. Boom, boom, boom. I'll just mark this out. This little inversion that we inverted right there. We inverted that. 15 right there. Okay. And we got a 15 here that we're kind of bouncing off of. That's right in the middle of a 15-minute order block right here. This whole little chunk there. Little block. Okay. So, and if we do come down, there's hardly any resistance to go all the way down and hit this on the 15-minute at least, which is lets me know we may if we want to pass this up and pass this up, I'd be bearish, and we can see. But right now we're holding this key cool area right here with this order block in this 15-minute. Okay, so right, and it's the one that's closer to the 50% as well. So just a retracement into that. Fridays are usually retracement days, and we may retrace, but I'm looking at price action, not just a day also. So we'll just see if everything lines up and if we can get a trade or not. Okay, so that's 15-minute. We're looking at if there's anything else we can mark out. Let's mark out the, what the heck is this? Okay, let's mark out the midnight open. Right here, midnight open. We're gonna mark that out. We're gonna mark out London low, London high. London low, we took out. London high, we took it out. London low, we already took it out. Asia low, we just took it out. This is the only liquidity we got down here, which is pretty much New York PM low from yesterday. We'll just put a little liquidity line there just to let us know we have something down there. Okay, but we pretty much took both of them out, London low and London high. So if you see there, London low, we took that out, boom, swept that, and we came all the way down after that London high was swept, and we even took out Asia low. So looking pretty bearish. We'll see what happens. We may want to reverse. Friday is the only thing where it's kind of weird. I mean, so I don't know. We'll have to be really patient today. See what happens. Make sure everything clear lines up. Looks good. Would like this to get ran through first to look for shorts to down here, and then after that we'll see. But right now it's looking bullish, so we'll just see what happens. Okay. Let's also do the new day opening gap. So right there, we're gonna get this. This is where it closed yesterday. The market closed, and this is the settlement. Okay. From there, wherever it opens today, is gonna be the which is they're pretty close already. Is gonna be the new day opening gap. So there's really hardly any new day opening gap already. But we'll just leave that there for just to have it there. We'll delete it after a while. Let's see if there's any news that we got going on here. 9:45 and 10 o'clock we got PMI, so that's some pretty serious news. 9:45 and 10 o'clock. Let's see, so 10 o'clock we got some news. And then right before that, 9:45, we got some news as well. So we're kind of just chilling until then, for sure. Okay, we are in equilibrium, pretty good, or at least pretty freaking close to it. Close as you can get. Does reading the PD rate in the equilibrium, which is matters too. I mean, see what else we got here. No equal highs or lows that I can see right now, except for this one actually. Yeah, there's some equal lows right here. So that's a good target actually. So this one looked pretty decent right there. So if I had to lean anyway, I think we're gonna take this out. But at the moment, it's looking like we're gonna go up. Just because how it looks. Let's see the ES, how that looks over here. Let's see. Let's look at this just real quick. We're not gonna mark too much, but on ES we're holding this little 4 hour here, and this little order block as well. 1 hour. Let's delete that one. We got this 1 hour there. With this little order block breaker, order block right there, not breaker, order block. Okay. Get a fib on this one too, from top to bottom. So yeah, so we hit this right here. We did not hit the fair value gap. So something to be mindful of. 15, let's see what this looks like. The 15 looks like on here. Let's see. No SMTs that I can see right off the back, except for a little SMT there. A little SMT here. We still haven't closed that candle yet though, so can't really call it SMT at the moment till that candle closes. This is up, up, up. This one's up, up, down. Okay, so it's the SMT down there at the moment. Slight SMT at the top, but not as much as the bottom. So let's see what happens here. Okay, yeah, we're chilling now. We're just chilling, trying to see what happens, man. But market's about to open in like a minute. We pretty much marked everything we need to mark out. That's all we needed to see. So it wasn't too bad. I mean, we go to the 5 minute. Let's mark some stuff out on the 5 minute. Just whatever. Whatever I see right now, just mark it out. Like 5 minutes, pretty useful. It's pretty good. I love the 5 minute. So the 5 minute right there. Let's see. Okay. 5 minute. A little BPR right here. We'll see what happens there. Close passes 15. We're coming back to it now. We'll see what happens, but man, nothing till the news. Okay, market's opening pretty shortly in 30 seconds. We're gonna put this at 1 minute here. Okay. As you can see, my news lines only show up on the 1 minute, not the 5 or 15 or anything else. Just 1 minute. That's all. The only one I see it on. I don't want too much stuff at the 1 hours and 5 and all that. So news is the only one I need to see really on the 1 minute. Okay. So we're slow grind up. We'll see what happens. This is kind of, there's a lot of noise right here on the 1 minute. Right here on the 5 minutes, kind of what we need to look at. 15 minute as well, and just see if we can find anything off of that. Okay, market open right now. Let's see what happens here. See what we got. Made some equal highs relatively right here on the 5 minute. Let's see. Today I want it to be only clean setups for my funded account. Most likely won't trade the funded account. Probably just trade my evaluation account today. Unless there's a low risk setup with the news coming in. 15 minutes. We'll see. 5 minute there. See if we want to go this all-time high. Now what is this? Let's see what this is. Consolidation, manipulation. Could be distribution. We'll see here. Or what it wants to do. We do got equal low sitting down there though. That's the only thing. See what happens here. Rejecting a 5 minute. Coming down here. We'll see here, man. Look at this 1 hour there. We close past that 1 hour there. Come back to it. Come back into this 1 hour there. See if this holds or not. Probably a good idea to wait till news to take a trade, but shorts it looks like it just looks like we're expecting the PD rates to go down. I mean for bears. And this one we're disrespecting that one. We are respecting this one, but this right here and this right here rejection off this 5 minute. Boom. So we just rejected that 5 minute. So it just looks like, what are you rejecting? I mean, and what does that mean? So if we're rejecting it going this way, that means it's acting as resistance. And if we're coming down and passing that up, it's acting like we're just bearish. We're not really worried about that. So that's all we're looking at. Pretty simple. Nothing too complicated. It doesn't need to be complicated. Just needs to be as simple as you can make it. So, but if there's no trade setup, then that's what matters. Right now, there's no trade setup. The 1 minute doesn't look good for me to do it. Then I'm not going to do it. All right. We did get close to that 50% though. So I'd like to stuff it like some more to get respected, disrespected here, to let us know we really want to go to the downside. Cause we did make a breaker here, and we're coming back to the. We kind of changed the state of delivery there, and we're coming back to it. So if we drop past here, if we drop past here, it looks like game to go lower. If we pass this part here, I mean, because then that mean we disrespected that breaker. I mean, right now we're respecting the breaker, so it's letting us know we may go up. We're just seeing, and we want a lot of different signs saying that we're gonna go one way. So right there, change state delivery, came back to it, going up. Just still no entry at all to get into. We're respecting this little here. I mean, we're at 50%. We'll just see what happens. Look like a patient day today. Looks like it's gonna be a patient day. So we'll see what happens here. When everything's super clear and multiple time frames and multiple PD arrays and everything else line up to go one direction, then the 1 minute looks good, then we'll take it. There's no fair value gaps on the 1 minute, so right now we're just kind of like waiting. We're just waiting right now. Looks like we're gonna disrespect this 5 minute. Will let us know we're gonna go bullish and probably take out this high. Or at least, yeah. Let me see the 1 hour. I don't know. We're still in this little 1 hour here, but yeah. We'll see what happens here. Not much to see on the 15 minute, to be honest with you. So I probably just want to leave that on at the 1 hour. Right there, because we're disrespecting that thing. Respecting it, I mean. So we'll see. So we disrespected the 5 minute. See what we do here. We may just grind up right now. We'll see what happens. If we do, I don't really wanna. There's nothing to get into right here. Nothing to get into. For me. Not yet. We disrespected this order block here, which shows bullish intentions. Maybe we take this high out on the ES, and maybe we take this high out on the ES and then do SMT and then go lower. We will see. Not even news yet, and we're dropping. probably a good thing to stay out of the market. It's kind of just unpredictable right now. Unpredictable right now. Did reject that 1 hour though. Look, check that out. So did not take the high out there. SMT nonetheless. And some of these, there's no swing point, just kind of, I mean, but yeah. Nothing is crystal clear to me yet. Nothing crystal clear. I want it to be super clear when there's a trade. Right now there's nothing there, so we'll see. Dropping it. Gonna hit them equal lows down there, I guess. All the way down there. So we got plenty of time to get in a trade. Just not now. Just not now for me. News coming up. See what happens. Got news. News right now. Might have got a little early. That might have been something with the freaking news right there. We'll see what happens now. Nothing super clear for me now, man. I'm just being patient. Being patient. Bearish looks good. First indication of bearishness is just we just went under this 1 hour. Okay. Next one is we respected this with this little breaker. We'll just freaking mark all that a freaking breaker. I don't know. With the breaker. Okay. And the 15-minute is showing bullishness of us just taking this order block out. So that's kind of hard to trade that right now. You mean? So we want something see something super crystal clear where it looks good on all time frames. Also, this 50% is kind of, we're coming back into the range. I want to see us go one direction or the other. That's what I want to see. So, and all the time frames line up. It's starting to look bullish. Got this big old freaking fair value gap just ran through. Just not too much more for ES to go, because we could take that high out right there and freaking reverse right now. But this is all-time high, so usually when we check out all-time highs, we go a little bit more, but still, you know what I mean? We could do this SMT and this never take out the high. If we do SMT and this never takes out the high, then I don't want to be stuck in that trade. Especially with my, that'll be 1-to-1. I mean, that wouldn't even be 1-to-1. If I got in somewhere where it inverted it, stop loss below it. Look, I'm shooting for freaking this. I mean, that's 1-to-2. This is 1-to-1.5. This is 1-to-1. I mean, so it's, I'm not even sure what it's gonna do. Especially because ES is about to take out the high. As a trader, the best thing to do is learn how to sit on your hands and not have to be in the market all the time. I mean, we don't have to be in the market all the time. We don't want to have to be. Like, how you gonna trade this right here? I mean, like, let me know how you're gonna trade this. Unless you're scalping or something. I mean, getting little moves here and there. How you gonna trade this? I mean, 15, how you gonna trade this? I mean, it's like hold this thing forever, which there people can, but the way I do it, if I get a 5-minute, 15-minute confirmation of something, then I go to the 1 minute, and there's nothing to go on the 1 minute, then I want to be in it in less than like 30 minutes. I mean, 15 to 30 minutes I want to be in the trade. Maybe to an hour, maybe. That's like if it's freaking going slow, then this ain't my cup of tea right here. So it's a good learning. Good thing to learn is to learn when to trade and when not to trade. If you put on a trade in this market right now, if I put it on trade, then I'm not gonna want to be in the trade anymore. I'm gonna be like, well, shit, I want to get out. Right when I get in the dang trade, I'm gonna be like, I just want to get out. So just don't get in the first place. You know what I mean? Don't get in the first place because it's unpredictable. I'm trying to let the odds be in my favor. I don't see any trades coming in anytime soon right now. So I'm just gonna play a game of chess real quick. See what we can get here. A little rapid 10-minute bad dog here. See what we can get. See how we're feeling this morning. See how we're feeling this morning. Let's go. We inverted that right there. We inverted it. I guess we're looking long buys, dude. You know what I mean? So what's he trying to do there? He's trying to get this, maybe come over here, maybe get this one, which I'm just gonna keep developing. I really don't care about that. So hey, you try to take this inversion. Look what's happening to you. Look what's happening. If you try to take that inversion, what's happening to you? You know what I mean? It's not looking good for you anymore. Back that up a little bit. We'll see what you want to do here. Let this beast out. Let's see here. How you want to do this? How you want to do this? If I go right there, nothing's protecting it. Right here, at least we can protect it. Let's go right there right now. I don't like it on the rim, on the edge, but we'll be alright. One hour, still bouncing that 1 hour. See here. Push it up. Sword don't look crazy bad, man, but yeah, swords don't look bad, to tell you the truth. It just, look at this. I mean, I want it to be clear. This ain't clear for me, then I don't want to get in it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I mean, even though the shorts look good right now, I just don't want to. I don't want to right now. Let's see. Market. Is market main. Oh, we took out that high on ES. Took out the high on ES. No inversions here. No retracement back into this. We did take the high out on ES though. So we do got a big old SMT at the top there. So mark this fair value gap there. That doesn't look crazy bad. But news is coming up, so we'll just chill out, wait, be patient. That's all. Be patient. Good. Perfect. Good. Awesome. Nice. 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 I like this. What you gonna do, Doug? It's a game right there. That's game. I think that's freaking game, dude. Look at this. It's looking like it. Looking pretty dang close. I'll tell you that. How can we do this? Do that. Check. Let's see here. I want to bring this thing out. Go right there. Do that. Go right here. $50% opening price right here. There's a fair value gap we passed up. Nothing for me. Nothing for me. Not even close. Not even close right now. We're going to block. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, do that again. Let's come up there. Walk you so I get a queen. Okay. Let's see what we can do now. Now we can push. Now we ain't gotta worry about it no more. Okay. If there was an inversion, I might have taken it, and there's no inversion. Just and then no retap into the CISD. Yep, that's what's up right there, big dog. See what I'm talking about? Shoot, they're rated a lot more than me, or they were a lot more than me at the beginning of it, if you look back. But yeah, I was about to win that thing, tell you right now. But all right, that's enough for right now. Got news right now. Let this play out, and we can see what we can get. We do got equal lows down here. We do have equal lows down there. So with these, which just looks really good for today. I just want to see a good setup to go lower. Nothing for me yet. So hardly any fair value guys on the 5 minute. To tell you the truth. I mean, so if we get a 5 minute here, maybe if we get a pullback into here, it'd be to pull back into this. What is that? I guess it's breaker, whatever this is, or whatever the heck this is, little chunk here. Get a pull back into that with that, and then to go lower, then it's a possibility to take them lows out. I'll see what the 1 hour looks like. We're looking real good for lower. Oh man, are you kidding me? We're tapping into this today, dude. Look at that. We're gonna tap into this today. There's no fair value guy stopping it. No good order block, breaker block, nothing right here. We're about to freaking go right here. And we're looking for our entry. That's it. Looking for our entry. We'll see. Let's see. What does this look like here? I don't know if that'd be like how that would be right there. We're at 0.62 right now of this range, but this is looking real good right here to go lower all the way. Really, really good. I mean, so I just want to set us up into some good stuff here. We got this there too, though. Still though, this may be something here. Maybe something here. We'll see if they get a fair value gap going up, and then maybe an inverse going down. We will take it. We'll see. This 5 minutes about to close. We're like about to. Yeah, it's about to close. Candle's about to close. So let's see if we can get a 5 minute fair value gap here, which looks like we're gonna get a 5 minute fair value gap here. So we'll just get a retap into here maybe, and we'll see what happens. That'll be about this level here, and then we'll see something coming out of that. We'll see. But I do believe we're going lower. I mean, and we're taking that previous day low out today. Like, I'm pretty freaking sure about that. I just want to see a good retracement, and that 5 minute will be perfect, because that'll also be this 15 that we inversed. It's just patient and waiting for it. That's all it is. It's patience and waiting for it for me. Didn't even tap into the right there, so I don't know about that one. Can't do nothing about that. That 1 minute look like yeah, let's see. Yeah, 1 hour look like over here. Let's see. Holding this 1 hour there. But yeah. Didn't make it to 50% yet, so yeah, I'm thinking if we get a hit in here, I think that'll be a good short opportunity for us. Let's see if we get it. We'd even get this. You mean, so I believe we still got opportunity to come up here. I would love a short up there. I'd freaking take it. So let's see what happens. We worked this 1 hour though, going up. Something we didn't do on NQ. We freaking invert them all going down. But that's only one. I mean, and it inverse this. Did it inverse that? Did not inverse that. So we got more bear signals on this side. So we'll see what happens. See what happens. But lower is the answer for today. This no entries for now, and I'm not about to chase it, because once you want to get in, you're like, I'm gonna get in now, and now it wants to come back to the 5 minute. What happens then? You know what I mean, like, what happens if you want to get in now? Because it wants to come back to the 5 minute, If you have a big stop loss, possibly. You mean that's 200 something? Let's see, short. If you just shorted, like, and then that's bad habits. You mean like if we don't get in here and you want to go short, it's like that's just a bad habit. I mean, let's just say it did go in there and you took a short and you want your thing all the way on top of the 5 minute, maybe. You mean right there somewhere? Can you move it over there? But yeah, let's say it did that. Boom, you want it on top of the 5 minute right here, and then you're looking for that right there. It's a 2-to-1, which looks really good. I mean, but we didn't even get in there. I mean, so. Because all it takes is for it to come back up on you, and then it's like, what happens? Like, you didn't wait for it to higher time frame narrative to go and tell you, and like get a retracement into something and come back down. We're about to make this 5 minute there, so maybe that's a new one. Maybe it could come back into there, but I had to see it on the lower time frame. I'm not just getting in blindly right there. I mean, because what if it wants to come up here? Yeah, we still didn't even get a tap into there, so it's like it's not high probable. I don't want to chase this thing. See if we get in here. See if we create a fair value gap here on the 1 minute going into this, and then a reversal down. Let's see if we get that or not. maybe even into, yeah, we'll just see if we get in here. See if we come up here a little bit, see what happens, see if we get back to this 15 or not. But that 5 minutes is sufficient. It seems like it's sufficient enough. We will see. We got a big old SMT on both of them, but I still think we got plenty of room to the downside. And I do believe we're taking this out today. And just finding our entry is the trick. We can find our entry, that's the good thing. I mean, we can find it. I think we'll be good. We'll just be impatient and wait for it to retrace into a reasonable PD array. It's a little fair value gap, but that's not even enough. That's not even enough. See what we got going on here. Okay, let's see what's up. We chilling hard today, man. We chilling hard today. Yeah, so now we're back in the 5 minute. Okay, we didn't make. I don't know if we're gonna make it back to that 15. This little wick there with the order block. See if we make it there or not. Right there, which is up here. See if we at least make it over here somewhere. That'd be cool. So look like we're gonna make a fair value gap, and then we could maybe come down with it. We'll see. See if we make the fair value gap first. If not, then there's no setup. Simple as that. It's unfortunate for us, but that's just kind of what it is. Or at least for me. You could take this stops, I mean above this, maybe above right here, I don't know. I mean, you could take it right now, boom, stop above here, 120. It's just you could, it doesn't say you can't get wicked out. I mean, it's just for me, I want to wait. I want to wait. I mean, I want to wait to see if we can get a setup. That's what I want to wait for. We're getting that rejection there. That's gonna be right there. The better one would be right there. Let's see what the heck is that? would be right here, right there. We'll see what happens here. Still thinking short though, man. Still thinking short. This has to make sense. That's all. This has to make a lot of sense. See what this would even look like. If I took it on my eval. Okay, this, we'll have it like right here, 65. And shoot. That might be okay. This might be okay. This risk reward might be okay there. We did hit OTE though. I just want to see this get ran through right here. And then tap back into it. I'll probably take it. Yeah, I'll probably take that. I'll take this one actually. If we get a good closer below it. We'll see. And then tap back into it. I'll take it. Get this tap back into it and I'll take it. And I want to tap back into it. We might not get it, we'll see. Okay, we got it. Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in it. We're in it right now. Let's see what we can get here.
Order filled.
Get in some more. I'm gonna get in on my eval as well. Right there. Okay. See if we can get this pushed down. Okay, let's see what happens here. More like, let's see, 7,850, like that. There it is. Okay, that's my entry and everything. We'll see what we can get here. We'll take these lows out. We'll go break even. Let's get it. We waited patient for it, and I think we're gonna get it here. We'll see. Either way, we waited, and it's a good setup. Either way, doesn't matter. I mean, it doesn't matter if we get it or not. It's a good setup to me. It's a good setup. I explained it. I believe y'all understand what it is, how I got to that conclusion, and so I think that matters the most. Than if we get it or not. I want to see a good push down here, all the way down. This is the break-even point right here. This green one right here, break-even. Break-even right there. Adjust my stop. A little bit closer. We'll just see what happens here. Not too close. It's a little bit closer. That's all. Put that. Let's see what makes sense here. I'm gonna look on here. 90, I think it looks like decent. Somewhere around there, yeah. We'll see. Don't want it too close though either. Want it to do whatever it needs to do. If it wants to go, then let it go. If it wants to go up, let it go up. But we'll see. I like this setup. I think it has potential to go a lot shorter, a lot lower. We manage our risk. We're good, and let's get it. Might take most of it off right here, actually. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I just want to see a good dump right now. I don't like how it came back up like that. But it's alright. Stop loss adjusted to 90. We'll see what happens. But yeah, I don't like this though. It doesn't look as good. See what happens.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got stopped out on that one. Didn't hardly lose much. We didn't lose much. But the trade idea was solid. I mean, that thing's freaking solid. I like the trade. I like the trade. You know what I mean? It came right here. Look at that. Looks freaking good to go short. And then break even. That'd been freaking perfect. We didn't quite make it there. That's okay. That's okay. We come to this 5 minute. We'll see what happens. Now we just came to the 15 minute. Didn't quite make the 5 minute. We'll see what happens here. But I did like that trade. I did like it. I did like it. Came back to the 15. We're coming down again. I'm not gonna re-enter. I've kind of been telling myself once I lose one, it's kind of like probably the best idea is to chill out for a second. You mean? So I've been trying to implement that, just chilling out for a second afterwards. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just gonna chill out for a second. But even if I had my stop at the highs, I would have got stopped out. But I had it lower here. You know what I mean? Because once it takes out the breaker, I believe it goes up. Maybe we want to go up to this 5 minute here and see what happens. Maybe we want to go to that 5 minute on top. So we'll see. See what happened here. Yep, man, I still believe we're going down there. Still think we're going down there. We'll just see how we're gonna get down there. That's the only thing. Just trying to see how are we gonna do it. How are we gonna do it? we're going up now. Now we're in the 5 minute here. Now we're in the 5 minute with this breaker here. So it looks pretty decent right here. We'll see what's up. We'll see what happens here. We took out some more highs on ES. Let's put this at the 15 minute. See what happened here. Came into this little fair value gap here, and the breaker right here. Did we hit it? Let's see. We didn't quite hit this. We didn't quite hit it yet. Not quite. Let's see. About to though. Looks like we're probably gonna hit it. So we hit the breaker. Hit the. See how it hit the this level right here. Starting of the breaker. Let's see if we could invert this right here and see if we got us a trade or not. Try the shorts again. We'll see. We'll leave that there just in case it helps. It'll help us probably. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Let's see if we can invert this though. Let's see if we can go down from here. Let's see if we get this now. I like this trade. If we want to inverse this, I like it. Let's see. Get a good displacement move right now. Would be ideal. Would be awesome. And probably do like a starter here maybe. We'll see. Come down here. If we go past this, then add the rest of it. We'll just see. It's just kind of making sense right now to do that. See what we got. Still going up a little bit. We'll see. We did hit OTE, so that's one thing we gotta recognize. We did hit OTE, okay, but we are still bearish overall as far as this part. What I'm thinking. I mean, let's see what that 4 hour looked like. If we did it or not. We closed past it. We came right back to the 4 hour right now. So we're definitely looking for a short right now. It's a high quality short right now. I like this for shorts right now. I really like this for shorts right now. If we can invert this, I'll freaking be all over it. If we can invert that, I'll be all over it. Let's see what happens here. Let's see, man. Let's see what we can do here. See if we get a good low push lower. If we take this out, CISD, and we take that inversion out, then we're definitely gonna get in this thing. Let's see if we get both those. Look up. Look up David Goggins funny memes. That's freaking funny, dude. Said the sellers are getting exhausted. Says the sellers are getting exhausted. And you got freaking Goggins right there. Off the flip. That's freaking funny. The sellers. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what we get here. I want to invert this first, and then I'm looking, and I'm looking, and I'm looking. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. I don't want this chilling right here. I don't want this chilling too much. I don't want too much chilling. I just want something to go down. And let's just see if there's anything for the bullish side. Like how can we be bullish? You mean, is there any way to be bullish? Is there something we ain't seeing? And right now, I just see this right here. We're holding this freaking 5 minute strong. Good wick there, pretty decent. I mean, we're still holding this little gap right here. I don't know if you can see it. Still holding it. Let's delete this one. See what we get here. This one right here. Still holding that. We're in this freaking order block here. So I want to get a rejection off of this is what I'm looking for. 1 hour. Okay, we came back to that. 4 hour. We just tapped a 4 hour. We just passed it up and tapped into it. So we're really looking for a short right now. High quality short. We will see. But we need a good setup. We want a good setup. See what we get here. Okay, let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this. It's time. Time to get in this thing. Let's see what's up. If we invert this, I'm definitely getting in this little one here. Let's see if we invert it or not. Just using it as a freaking trampoline, bouncing right off of it. Just not ready yet, I guess. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Still got a long way to go. Downside. Let's see what happens here. Back into this inversion. We'll see how this looks. Back into this 5-minute too, but I just believe we're going down here. Right when we invert this, I'm getting in. Right when we invert this, I'm getting in this thing. Straight up. Going short. We'll see.
Order filled.
Okay, we're in there. We're in there. See what we can get here. Looking for the lows to get taken out down here. Pretty much. Got in at 9.8. Right here, stop is at 118. Right here. See what we can get down here. See if we can take that one out there. That looks good. At least take that out. Let's see. Get on it. Get on in on my other account too.
Order filled.
It's trying to pass the eval. Let's see. Okay, let's see what happens here. Come back up, tap this change of state delivery. Let's see what happens. There. Let it play out. I'm just believing we're looking really, really bearish. You mean so? That's what I'm looking at right now. That's what I'm looking at right now. Looks like we closed past the 5-minute. That's good. We'll see what happens with that. If we get taken out again, it's no problem. Not worried about it. It looked good to us. I mean, it looked good to me. So. Every time frame is looking like we should be all right. We'll see. But this is where I want my stop at. I don't want to have it. This is where I want my stop at right here. I don't want to have it any higher. Because if we take that out, then we're taking that out. I mean, so I'm just wanting this to go lower now. If it goes higher, then ain't nothing we can do about that. You know what I mean? So right there, we'll see what happens now. See what happens. Okay, we may get stopped out, super close, but we will see. I seen it get that close before and turn around, so we'll see. Maybe we just want to consolidate now. Hopefully not, but we'll see. I like to trade. I was patient, waited, so it's a good trade for me. Could still turn around. Could still turn around. Let's see what happens. Let's sit back and relax and let it do its thing. That's what we gotta do. That's what we gotta do. Thought it was good. That was good enough.
Order filled.
Okay, we gotta start that on that one as well. So right now we're down, and I'm not mad at it. You mean I'm not mad at it? It's just how it is. We manage our risk, and how much we're down. If we were just won that one trade, or either one of the trades, we would have been up. So if we get in a trade now and we win it, we'll be up still. But that's it for today. I lost 2. I think I'm good for today. I'm all right. This is kind of like looking kind of choppy right here for me anyways, and I'm just gonna sit this out, and I'm gonna be back Monday ready to go. All right, see y'all later. Bye.